welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to make this short, simple, and to the point because I have a 22% battery and I need to get the show on the road. So today is my cash envelope stuffing. If you don't know who I am Friencine, a 23-year-old college student, almost grad, trying to budget her life before her life gets real. That's basically it. That's basically a sum of my life at this point in time. Whoa, can't speak. I know. So I have my cash in this envelope right here that I bring to the bank. This is one of my cash envelope that I do create. Everything, the stickers, some of the envelopes that you see on this video is from my Etsy shop. Check it down. The link is down below. Once again, this is going to be a quick, short, simple video. So let me just set up the cash right real quick. Is the card I give to the bank teller. I put 20 50s by accident and she was like, what's going on? Do you want 20 50s, like for real? And I was like, no, because no, I don't want to be overdraft. So yeah, so this is the card that I bring to the bank. Okay, so I'm just going to, I already put it in the right side, like which way, looking the same direction, because I'm that type of person. I like it to look the same direction. Call me weird. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. This is my little pouch. This, if you don't know, this is my sinking fund full wallet binder, and this is my wallet, actual wallet where my cash envelopes are in. So we're gonna put this away and move this down. This normally stays in my wallet just in case if I'm doing a challenge that this month or the current month or whatever, and I keep extra cash there. So I'm gonna place this in the back. Let me move this over. Boom. So now let's go to unstuffing. Okay. This has no money, but it has a receipt. $7.75. That was a milkshake. Nothing. Us has nothing. Entertainment has nothing. Okay. Let's see. MetroCard. I spent all my MetroCard money. I actually needed to budget more money for MetroCard because I ran out like so fast. Okay, and then I had to use some of my sinking fund money for MetroCard because I ran out of a MetroCard. Oh, why do I have a wrapper? Okay. Let me just make sure that all the cash, the change, I still have some change in here. This is a lot of change I have today. Okay, so the change is gone. So this is all the change that I have from this pay period. I'm going to put it back in the little pouch so I can remember to put it in my jar. Okay. Ooh, okay. So now, I know I had somebody, a subscriber, say that they like seeing my budget while I'm doing my cash envelope stuffing. So let's see if I can put that there. But then you lose sight of the money. Okay. Let's see how this works. Alright, I guess this will work. Okay, so, ooh, I didn't put it the right way. Okay, so, let's start with me. Mia's getting $20, so we're getting a 10 and 2 5s. Uh, 20. Oh, this is my this is my cash breakdown, transactional log, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna do that off camera, just because now I have 17%. Food is 45. That is 3 10s, 1 2 3, and 3 5s. 1 2 3. Okay. Entertainment is getting $90. I am all over the place. Okay. So $90 entertainment, because so just to reiterate, this pay period is what I got paid is to last until January 17, because that's when I'm getting paid next, which means I have 3 weeks to like stretch this money. So I had 2 paychecks, if you notice. So one was my regular paycheck that I was gonna get, and because the after school I'm in is out for a week and a half, they gave us a little advance for the week that we're currently working and a bonus. So I'm saving my bonus, because that was a bonus. I should save that or put it towards debt. I'm saving my bonus, and whatever's left, I budget out. That should last me for the next 3 weeks, and save for the next 3 weeks basically. So entertainment, I mapped out what I'm gonna do for the next 3 weeks. So if nobody told me they wanted to see me or anything, that's on them. But should have made plans with me 3 weeks in advance so I can say yes or no. But for entertainment, I have a 50 and 2 20s. So that's $90. I am still working my original job for the week that I am going to be out in the after school. My original retail job, in a sense, during the week that I'm out. So technically I don't have a break. Okay, so then us. So we planned to go out to see like movie, arcades, and all that. So I budgeted $80 because there's gonna be a day. So we have 2 days, 2-day dates during this break. And I'm gonna pay for one of them, and he's gonna pay for one of them. It is $80, 2 4 6 8 that I budgeted. Then for gas and transportation, I budgeted $100 because gas is no joke and MTA is no joke. So I budgeted $100. I already spent $5, so that means I'm doing 2 20s. 2 20s. 4 10s. 1 2 3 4. 4 10s. And it would be 4 5, but I used $5 for a MetroCard, so 3 5s. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Okay. So So this is what I'm working with for transportation. Okay, and that is it for my sinking fund, for my wallet. Now on to my sinking fund. First, we are budgeting for car. So my car is coming sooner than later. I'm adding $20. Travel, I'm adding $5. Online business, I'm adding $10. Emergency fund, $10. Doctor, I was gonna add, but I noticed that I'm basically done with that sinking fund. I just wanted to cover copay. What did I just do? Emergency fund. Okay, so now it's school. School is getting $20 because your girl gotta start saving up for her certifications. Miscellaneous, $10, just in case if there's something that I didn't calculate for and budget for. It can come from here. Membership, since Amazon Prime is coming up soon, I gotta always remember when the new year starts, Amazon starts. Membership, $5. So birthday, which is technically his birthday, but even though it says my birthday, it's my boyfriend's birthday. I have to buy his ticket, well, our ticket. So we put $50, so 5 and two 20s. Oh, look, we're almost done. We are legit almost done. Okay. With the money that I have so far, I have to deposit it into the bank accounts. Shopping is getting $5. Let me move this up. Shopping is getting $5 because once I start student teaching next semester and I need clothes. So slowly but surely. I did subscribe to Stitch Fix and I'm thinking about if I want to buy a box, but let's see. Haircut is getting $5. Okay. Okay, very nice. Yeah, so I thought about doing Stitch Fix, but I don't know. Car maintenance is getting $5. What am I looking for? Stickers. So I wanted the February sticker kit from, what's her name? Nikki plus 3, but I don't think I'm gonna get it because it's already too late. So stickers I gave 10, and then Valentine's Day. His birthday happens to fall on Valentine's Day. Well, not on Valentine's Day, but the day after Valentine's Day. So if I can't do one great, I should be able to do another great. So yeah. So yes, sit down. So yeah, so I just stuffed $500 and something, and I feel great. Hopefully eventually I'll be making more than this in one pay period in the next year. Next year this time, I will be making at least $1,000 per paycheck. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. It should be an update sinking fund video for the month of December. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.